student, today we are going to learn our sixth chapter, Stone Age Stone Tools. In this chapter we have learned 6.1 types and forms of tools according to the type of task. Okay, so today we are going to see 6.2 Stone Age tools. In this point we have learned first one, Old Stone Age, Paleolithic age. Okay, paleo means old and lithic means stone. Second one, today we are going to see Middle Stone Age, that is Mesolithic age. Meso means middle and lithic means stone. Okay, so let's we begin. Middle Stone Age, Mesolithic age. Homo sapiens in the Middle Stone Age continued to make progress in many different ways. Now see, Homo sapiens in the Middle Stone Age continued, okay, to make progress in many different ways. Many ways, okay. They domesticated the dog. They started keeping the dog. Due to changes in the climate and the environment in the Middle Stone Age, the way of life of humans had begun to change. Now see, due to the changes in the climate and the environment in the Middle Stone Age, the way of life, okay, the life structure of humans had begun to change. Besides hunting, Homo sapiens had started to harvest food grains that grew in the wild and to domesticate animals. Now see, besides hunting, Homo sapiens had started to harvest food grains. They started doing agriculture, okay, that grew in the wild and to domesticate animals. Their diet now included various plants, food. Okay, now see, they started harvesting. Okay, so plenty of plant foods are available in their diet now. They also begin to settle in one place for a part of the year. Okay, first they are roaming here and there, and afterwards they started doing agriculture. They begin to settle in one place for a part of the year. Domestication of sheep and goats also goes back to this period. Taking all this into account, it appears that Homo sapiens now needed several different types of tools that were light in weight and durable for a variety of tasks such as hunting, fishing, harvesting, cutting of trees, etc. Now see, taking all this into account, it appears that Homo sapiens now needed several different types of tools, okay, which is light in weight and durable. Durable means it will use for a long period of time, okay, for a variety of tasks. For what tasks they will use these tools? For hunting, fishing, harvesting, cutting of trees, etc. Okay. So he used to make implements like the knife and the sickle. Okay. He used to make implements like the knife and the sickle by firmly fixing a row of blades as small as fingernail into a groove in a bone or a piece of wood. Okay. Many sites of the Middle Stone Age have been found in India. Okay, many sites, many places of the Middle Stone Age have been found in India. Among them, Bagor in Rajasthan, Bhimbetka in Madhya Pradesh, Langnaj in Gujarat and Patni in Jalgaon district in Maharashtra are the well-known ones. Now see, many sites of the Middle Stone Age have been found in India. Many places of the Middle Stone Age have been found in India. Among them is Bagor in Rajasthan. Bagor, the place which is in Rajasthan. Bhimbetka, which is in Madhya Pradesh. And Langnaj in Gujarat and Patna in Jalgaon district in Maharashtra are the well-known place. Okay, well-known ones means famous place. Okay, see I have given down the map of the India. Okay, in Middle Stone Age, the stone blades used to make implements were removed from the stone by the fluted core technique. Okay, in Middle Stone Age, the stone blades used to make implements were removed from the stone by which technique? Fluted core technique. Flute means a long parallel sided depression on the stone, and core means the original stone from which the blades are removed. After the blades were removed from the stone from all sides, the remaining core had such flutes on all sides. Blades removed with this technique are very minute. Minute means small, the size of a nail or slightly bigger. Hence, they are called microlithics. Okay, micro means very small and lithos means stone. In the Middle Stone Age, arrows were made by fixing a microlith at the tip of a stick. Okay, so students, I hope understood. See, so down they have given the picture of fluted core. See, then microlithic, Middle Stone Age. Down one, a knife with an edge like a saw made by fixing microlithics, Middle Stone Age. Fish hook or bones. It is also made in a Middle Stone Age. Arrows with microliths at tip, Middle Stone Age. Okay. So students, I hope you understood this point. Okay. So stay healthy, stay safe and have a nice day. Bye.